Back in May of 2015, I raised $200,000 to hire developers to start my own software company to build a platform to help small local business owners generate leads and ultimately grow their business. And back at that time, I was a total tech nerd. I got super excited about all of the little features and all the cool things and the widgets, all the things that they could do. And I remember after about 3 to 4 months, meeting back up with our investor, and I was like, I got to show you all these cool features. So we got in person. I jumped on my computer and I was like, look, check this feature out. Check this cool thing out. Check what we can do here. And after about 3 minutes, he took my computer, he pushed it away, and he says, Jason, I don't care about any of that. Are you making money? And that right there was my first real lesson on how to provide value to the end user. And in that moment was probably the biggest lesson that I've ever learned on how to pitch and present to your ideal target market. He did not care about all the features. He honestly didn't even care what the software did. He invested money and he wanted a return for that money. And so that is what he wanted to see is, are you actually making money? And I see so many people jumping into GoHighLevel, and they were just like me back in May of 2015, nerding out on all the features and all these cool things that they can do. And hey, check out these funnels and automated reviews and missed call text back and all these different things. And the truth is, the business owner does not care about any of it. What they care about is it going to make me money? So what I want to do in this video is I want to break down the core features, but really the angles of selling and the offering that I would go through and present to these small local business owners so you can speak in their terms and in their language where you can close deals a whole lot easier. And something very similar actually happened on our live coaching call today. I had one of our clients jump on and he said, look, I'm having a very difficult time knowing how to sell HighLevel and knowing what to offer. And I said, well, what are you currently offering? And he said, well, I'm telling these small local business owners that I can help them with their social media marketing. And I asked him, I was like, well, what does that even mean? Like, what are you doing for them? It seems very ambiguous. And a lot of local business owners, they might know that they need to be on social media. They might know they need a Facebook page or need to be posting. But what is it going to actually do for them at the end of the day? And there's too much left to be just like guesswork where it's not a solidified offer that they know to go through and actually move forward. And so what I want to do is break down some of the things that I would go through and offer and how to speak in the small business owner's terms that they can fully understand, and so that you can close deals easier and then also have a simple setup on your end for fulfillment and a way that you can actually scale and get more clients every single day, every single week, and just continue to compound the number of clients that you have. So ultimately what we're doing with HighLevel is we're helping these small local business owners with their marketing. And to break marketing down into simpler terms, basically it is the way to get people's attention over here, and then on this other side, to close a deal and actually make money. And there's going to be multiple steps along the path as we're going through and doing all this marketing. So initially, we need to create awareness, right? So awareness could be posting on social media, it could be running an ad, it could be ranking your site on Google and seeing someone seeing your business. And then from there, once you have awareness, the next step would be to generate a lead. So a lead would be someone's like name, phone number, email address, maybe their physical address, basically someone raising their hand and saying, hey, I'm interested in what you have to offer. And we grab contact information that we can eventually follow up with that person. And then the next step is once they become a lead, we usually want them to book an appointment on our calendar. And so we can go through and have a conversation with them and sell them on our services, perform the service, and then we get paid, right? However, the key thing with this is you need to know where your service starts and where it ends. Because we can't go through and work with the real estate agent and actually sell the home for them. We can't do every single step of the process. So we need to know, okay, we got awareness. Okay, we could run ads for them, right? We've got lead generation. Well, we could create a landing page and generate some leads for them. We have appointments. We go through and we could book appointments for them. And then we have closing the deal, where they're going to more likely close the deal and actually work and talk with the person because they understand their services, they understand their price, and they understand all that stuff more than we ever could. Okay, so one of the key things that I like to go through and do is offer appointments. That's basically as far as we can get on this little horizontal line right here. without actually closing the deal for them. So we can help them with awareness, we can help them with the lead conversion, and we can help them book more appointments, and then we can pass it off to this person. So if we're able to go through and talk with these new small business owners, we want to speak to them in terms of booking more appointments. Not sales funnels, not workflows, not automations, not any of this stuff, but hey, we're going to help you book more appointments. And then even at that, what I like to do is really simplify the service and break it down into something that I can set up in about 10 to 15 minutes, one time. It's going to continually work month in and month out and provide massive value without any additional work on your end. And then that way you can bring on these clients for $300 to $500 per month and bring on more clients every single month without adding tons more additional work. Whereas if you're going to go set up Facebook ads or do SEO for clients or anything like that, or a website design, that is a lot of work for every single client that you bring on. Hey, real quick, if you want my 100% free course on how to go through and start your own digital marketing agency, how to get clients, how to fulfill for clients, all of my website templates, my proven sales funnel templates, all my scripts, then there is a link down below in the description as well as in the top comment. It's going to allow you to get an extended 30-day free trial to the HighLevel software, plus unlock all of my courses and bonuses, everything for free, plus weekly live coaching with myself. You can jump on Zoom. Ask me any question that you want. All right, so just click down on the link in the description in the top comment or go to launchmysoftware.com. It's going to take you into the same place. Now, with that said, back to the video. So as we're going through and offering these services to clients, if we're talking to the plumber, the electrician, the real estate agent, the mortgage officer, whoever it might be, we want to go through and help them book more appointments. Now, you might be like, well, Jason, how are we going to actually book more appointments? Because remember, the real estate agent, they don't care how you book more appointments. They just want to book more appointments because just like my investor, all he cared about was making more money. And that's all the real estate agent cares about is making more money, or the electrician or the plumber, whoever it is. They're only investing in your services because they believe you can help them market their business to make more money. All right. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to help them book more appointments, but we want to use simple systems and leverage to be able to get in front of traffic that is already being generated to their business and the awareness and the eyeballs. So the first service I always recommend people starting with when going through and selling to these small local business owners is missed call text back. Getting a local phone number and setting up so if someone calls that phone number and they miss the call, a text is automatically sent and follows up with that person to save the deal. And then after that text goes out, if that person responds, what we can set up is Conversation AI, which is an AI bot that can automatically conversate with that person back and forth and lead them to book an appointment on our calendar or on your client's calendar, right? So two simple things right there. Missed call text back, Conversation AI to book an appointment. That's really, at the end of the day, all you really need to provide massive value, and you could easily charge $499 per month just doing that simple service. Now, if we want to go kind of the next step above and beyond, is then I would go through and I would add the web chat widget to their website. Okay, because then if somebody goes to their website and they've got a question, it's an easy way to get more sales conversations into the pipeline. And once again, when they go through and ask a question on the web chat widget, Conversation AI can automatically follow up with that lead based on the information that is pulled from that customer's website and be able to have the back and forth conversation with that person. And once again, book an appointment on your client's calendar. And then from here, what I would do just to create more stickiness, to increase the lifetime value of the customer so they continue paying you every single month, is I would make sure that that person downloads the mobile app. Because statistics show that there's a massive increase in the lifetime value and the stick rate if a client will download the mobile app. Because if you're a plumber, if you're an electrician, if you're a real estate agent, you're more than likely on the go. And you need to be able to communicate with your leads and be notified if a lead comes in while you're on the go. So downloading the mobile app will help increase the lifetime value. And then also helping connect Facebook and Google and Instagram to their HighLevel sub account on your white labeled SaaS so that they can use and leverage the unified inbox. That way they're not having to go through and check all their messages on Facebook and then Instagram DMs, and then check their email and then check the text messages and then the voicemails. Everything is going to one simple unified inbox which all the leads are then going into the CRM, right? So these are all cool features, but we don't have to go through and say, hey, here's a CRM, because the plumber doesn't really know or care about what a CRM is. They don't even know what CRM stands for. But you and me, because we're marketing nerds, we nerd out on this stuff. And then the unified inbox, they don't really care or don't even really know and understand what a unified inbox is. But if we say, hey, we can help all your messages go into one simple location, and then we can follow up and then be able to book more appointments with this AI bot, then they're like, oh, book more appointments? Okay, I am sold on that, right? So these are very simple things to go through. They're one-time setup. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to set up one time, but it's going to continually work on an ongoing basis. And you can easily charge $500 per month, and they will continue paying you every single month because you are streamlining all of these leads, all of these contacts to their calendar to book more appointments. So all they have to do is show up, jump on the phone calls, sell more deals so they can ultimately make more money. And so if they're going through paying $500 per month, but making $5,000 to $10,000 per month back out of it because of the systems that you've set up, because you help them book more appointments, regardless of what all the different features are that you're doing, they're going to be sold on that every single day of the week. All right. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, go ahead, smash the like button. If you guys want my 100% free course on how to go through, get clients, fulfill for clients, get a 30-day extended free trial to HighLevel, that link is down in the description as well as in the top comment. Just want to help you guys out, give you guys all my website and sales funnel templates, everything that I have, plus weekly live coaching with myself. You'll be able to jump on calls, ask me any question that you want every single week. All right. So anyway, guys, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.